In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your Mailchimp landing page and elegantly wrap the text around it, creating a visually appealing layout for your audience. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing campaign's effectiveness or simply want to give your landing page a professional touch, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Mailchimp's website. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new to Mailchimp, you'll need to set up an account to access these features. But for the purpose of this video, we'll assume you have one ready. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, you're going to want to look for the Campaigns tab, which is conveniently located on the left side of your screen. Clicking here will take you to a page where all of your ongoing and past campaigns are displayed. Now find the campaign that contains the landing page you want to edit and click on it. You'll see options to either edit the campaign or access specific parts of it. Choose to edit the landing page. With your landing page open for editing, the next task is selecting the specific block of text where you'd like to integrate an image. Simply click on the text block to highlight it, which will make it ready for editing. As you hover around the text options, notice the menu on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find the Content Studio. This feature is like a mini library of all your digital assets on Mailchimp. It allows you to upload images, files, and other media to your campaigns easily. Click on Content Studio to enter. From here, you'll have the option to either select an existing image from your storage, or if you need a fresh one, just click the Upload button and choose a new image file from your computer. Once your image is uploaded to the Content Studio, click to insert it into your selected text area. Mailchimp makes it straightforward to customize the look and feel of your text-image combination. You can adjust the size of the image, its position relative to the text, and how the text wraps around it. Experiment with these options until you achieve the desired layout that best fits the aesthetic of your campaign. A well-placed image can make your text more inviting and improve the overall engagement of your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Mailchimp landing page and wrapped it with text for a professional look. After perfecting your layout, don't forget to save the changes to your campaign. If you're satisfied with the preview, you can proceed to finalize and publish the campaign. This simple yet effective technique can greatly enhance the appeal of your marketing materials. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you to better utilize your Mailchimp campaigns. Happy emailing!